How to install the ATV Supreme cover. Ensure your ATV is clear of dust or dirt particles. Carefully remove your sealskin cover from the carrying case on the top of your ATV. It comes with a storage bag and 2 straps. Locate the label with arrows sewn into the hem of the cover that signals the front of your cover. Now, roll the front of the cover towards your ATV's hood, unrolling the side as you move forward. Next, do the same for the other side of your ATV. Ensure that all areas are covered. Use the strap and buckle clips under your ATV to secure the cover and ensure it does not move around or get blown away. Adjust where necessary. Adjust the cover where needed to ensure that all areas are covered. Our covers are 100% waterproof and very durable. Shop yours at sealskincovers.com.